Prepositions. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to another word in the sentence. Place, time, direction, cause, manner. Prepositions of place. Show position. The book is on the table. The cat is under the chair. Prepositions of time. Show time. We will meet at 5 p.m. She was born in July. Prepositions of direction. Show movement. He went to the market. The bird flew into the cage. Prepositions of cause, reason, show cause. He was absent because of illness. She was present for her work. Prepositions of manner. Show how something happens. He spoke with confidence. She came by bus. Try to complete all the blanks carefully using the correct prepositions. Share your answer in the comments after finishing the test. Like, share and subscribe to Ajuba's Art.